Everyone loves cooking. Okay, well, maybe not everyone, but a lot of us do enjoy it. And I'll admit, there's something a bit exciting about getting a new kitchen tool and using it when making your next meal. A lot of them are pretty straightforward and useful, like a blender or a rolling pin. Others, not so much. And that's what this list is about. I scoured Amazon for the weirdest kitchen gadgets out there. And good news! I'm providing links to them in the written version of this list, so if, or should I say when, these kitchen gadgets catch your eye and you find yourself wanting, nay, needing them in your kitchen, maybe after saying WTF a few times under your breath, you too can own them. I'm Mike with List 25, so sit back and relax while I turn up the heat and present to you these 25 weirdest kitchen gadgets. Oh, and quick FYI, weird doesn't always have to mean useless. #25. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Strainer Clip-on Silicone Colander. This one's actually pretty useful, but it just begs the question, did we need it? I guess I'm just in the camp that thinks the colander wasn't broken. Ah yes, but what about the people who only have use of one hand? I can hear you saying. Then just put the colander in the sink and pour into it. #24. Ueshko Stainless Steel Watermelon Slicer Cutter Knife. I guess this makes slicing watermelon easier, but it still looks silly. Like a knife and a pinwheel had a baby. #23. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner Microwave Oven Steam Cleaner Doll. Useful, sure. But the face and the disappointed in you arms just make something about this microwave cleaner a bit unsettling. I don't want to be constantly reminded I've disappointed my mother every time I clean. #22. Ototo Clean Dreams Kitchen Sponge Holder. Do you need a place to put your sponge? Sure, but does it have to be a bed? #21. Kakaga Baggy Rack. Another one that's useful, but weird looking, and also only serves one purpose. Alton Brown hates kitchen tools like this. #20. True Zoo U-Ice of A Silicone Mold and Ice Cube Tray. Oh, come on. Maybe on 4th of July. The poor Northeast, they just got clumped together in one mass. 19. Sparrow Decor Mason Jar Measuring Cup Set. Okay, once again, these aren't weird per se, and at first I wasn't going to put them on the list. Then I looked at the additional pictures. There are no handles. These are measuring cups. This just seems like things are going to get unnecessarily messy. 18. Spaghetti Monster Colander Strainer by Ototo. Are you a pastafarian? Well then, boy, do you need this flying spaghetti monster colander in your life. If you're not, well then, here's a colander. With eyes. You're welcome. 17. Pot Baby's Portable Blender. I just have one question for this. Who's bringing fruit with them places? Why do you need a portable blender? Make it at home in the morning and take your smoothie with you. Who's bringing blenders with them? If you're bringing blenders with you, let me know in the comments below or tweet at me. I'm genuinely curious. I did actually write this list. This is not one of our writers' lists. This is mine. I want to know who's bringing around blenders. 16. New Soda 6002 GR Sink Station Flat Colander. I know what you're thinking. Is this seriously the third colander on this list? Why, yes it is. Hey, there are apparently a lot of weird colanders out there. This one just seems like another mess waiting to happen. Why do you need a flat one? What purpose does getting rid of the edges serve? 15. Vofo Herb Scissors. This one I know is very useful. It just looks strange, so I'm including it. It's like someone said, hey, I love scissors and I love Swiss Army knives. Let's combine them. Oh, and why don't scissors have more blades?
14.
Zevro KCH06121/GAT200 indispensable dry food dispenser. Oh, that was a mouthful. Useful at a hotel? Sure. At home? I just don't know anyone that says, gosh, I really wish my kitchen looked more like one of those continental breakfast buffets hotels have.
13.
Grillaholics barbecue meat shredder claws. Do you want to look like a knockoff version of Wolverine? Well, then you need meat claws. Speaking of Alton Brown, I'm pretty sure he reviewed these.
12.
NEX fruit slicer. I'm going to be honest here. This one's on the list solely because as I was looking through Amazon, I saw this picture and it took me a while to try to figure out how in the world this is a fruit slicer. Then I saw that it comes apart into all these tools. It's bright, loud, and silly looking. Perfect for any, bright, loud, and silly kitchen.
11.
Eutuxia food chopper scissor with built-in cutting board. I kind of feel like we're getting lazy here. You already have to use both hands to hold the item you're cutting. Why not just use a traditional fork and knife? I don't know why, but I can't get it out of my head that this seems like something Subway would make their employees use.
10.
Al dente, the singing floating pasta timer. Another useful but silly looking item. Part of me really wants to buy this to hear the different tunes Al here belts out.
9.
Boogeyman egg separator. God, I've seen this so many times before, and every time it's just gross. Yes, I know it's egg whites, but I just can't separate, get it? That fact from the imagery of it. Please never prepare my eggs with this, ever.
8.
Wine condoms. Because wine not. 2 puns in a row? You're damn white, Zinfandel. Okay, I'm finished. Do these actually do their job? I don't know. I haven't purchased them. But for the sake of this, let's say they do. I get it's a gag novelty, but I feel we already have wine stoppers. Or, the cork? Also, now that I think about it, there's no way they can be reusable. This would just create so much waste.
7.
Bicycle pizza cutter. Hey, maybe the 2 slice wheels make it so you don't have to run the slicer through your pizza over and over. It just doesn't look all that ergonomic to hold, though.
6.
Splatipus jar scraper spatula by Ototo. That color scheme is no accident. This is clearly Doofenshmirtz's, and we all know it's really called the Perry the Splatipusinator.
5.
Quick egg opener. Once again, this just seems to solve a problem no one's having. Maybe people with arthritis, but that's the only thing I can think of. Just crack an egg and be careful not to get shell in your food. Also, I remember seeing reviews for these things, and I'm pretty sure none of them worked.
4.
Progressive Prep Solutions PS68BR Microwave S'mores Maker. But why? Just make a fire or cook them in the oven. It's just a silly looking device too. I can't get the image of a tiny robot playing s'mores bongos on his lap out of my head. This one would just take up space and get dusty. How often do you make s'mores that you need this?
3.
Bentosa Decorative Hard-Boiled Egg Yolk Mold. Look, I get it. Sometimes weird looking things can totally have their use. While making this list, I even saw milk jug spouts and thought, who has trouble pouring milk? And then it dawned on me, people with arthritis. This on the other hand, was anyone really having the issue of, the yolks on my egg slices don't come out in the shapes found in decks of cards? I highly doubt it. 2. Nostalgia B-Set 300AQ Retro 3-in-1 family-sized breakfast station. Okay, do you not already have every single one of these items in your home? Even studio apartments usually have an oven and a coffee maker. 1. Home Magic Silicone Dishwashing Scrubber. I'll admit, I kind of want these. I can't stop looking at them. I want to wear them and clap my hands together to get them to interlock. Also, they look like you put your hands in one of those pin art toys. So, what's the weirdest kitchen gadget you've ever seen or used? Let us know in the comments below or tweet your answer to us at List25. Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.